from the pencil, ana, o nga, o katong ana na. So, good morning. Tell your name. Manson. Speak. Jules. What's your name? Okay, so what man first mama papa inform why become dead? Why born. Okay. Mr. Chicken pox. Chicken pox. So, then pag birth become na dead. So, tell pag first experience na school, malanding mission, what first learn how teach lip reading. So, first pencil, for tongue. So how pencil, who teach? None. So the sisters teach them. So how many students there in mission one group? Few, maybe 5, maybe 3, 15, more. Many now. So only 15 limit. So past experience, pila man ka mo there in one class imo? Mag-read nursery, only one. So or 2. Then elementary, pila student in one teacher? Elementary. Classmate. Maybe 5. So pag graduate high school, pila? 3. Only 3. So the only graduated 3 of them. So how other learn to speak? Vibration. So what mean? So So your hands. So mama, tay. Mama, tay. Mama, tatay. So vibration here or here. So you will vibrate. So that's how it teach. So next, how learn what man problem is communicate oral. Fast. But need near, not far. So normal. Fine. Clear pa. So but some wala kapoy. Wala na, fine na. What man problem now, college, deaf, learn sign language, ikaw, mo speak, what man? Need mo learn mo sign or always speak? How? What daw? Now problem. Need now learn to sign because to communicate. Another deaf because no speak now. Other past have 3. Now only you. Only 1. So what then? ABRC. So ang classmate plus ABRC is TI. So siya na dire. So 3 naman sila. So all men. All boy. So now college now. So need mo learn sign. Right? No complaint. No complaint. Fine. So communicate now. Pag first time, how communicate that na mo sign yourself, mo speak how? Only observe. So only copy, then later first observe, then copy, then later communicate practice. Like difficult not to understand. Sometimes. Later improve. So wala ang iyaha nga problem. So sa iyaha nga part sa moto kung kita na yung hearing test, so he is a profound deaf. So but nagahan siya chance mo na kay Nilearn man siya from early intervention, nilearn siya gamay pa, so na-improve rin siya. So others unta nga mga deaf kung gitagaan chance, kung kabaw sila asa nga school, nanay oral school, but only in Cebu, kundi sa ila sa Bohol wala man. So muna different sila ma-learn. But the communication sa college kay mixed man, so now the same na siya sa inyo ha, nag-learn ka sa sign. So muna para ma-improve. So but family always rush. They pray or speak, wala sign. So how? If you come in the school in city, you sign. But at home, you speak. So English, no Bisaya, not Filipino. Difficult thing to do. English yapon. So because high school only use English. So if Bisaya, magasip, gasip, chismosa, then ano siya. So how man if Bisaya angry, complain, how interpret? Wala ra, fine ra, ignore. So other problems sa lip reading. How if bird or mustache. So maka concern difficult sometimes. Or katong nabungi. Sometimes difficult man kay how man ka makamit different people. So now improve the sign language, fine ra. But first time how? Afraid? Shy. No, I am shy. Because he's the only person nga maka-speak sa 30 ka buok. How can you be understood? Diba? So it's not an easy thing to do. So sa ilaha sa mission or sa Gualande, all must speak. Ikan sayang, tayo sa high school. Practice. But many years before na learn, practice. And 1998. So pag start sa mission, pila old? 2 years old. Imagine. So 2 years old. They will accept even 6 months to speak. Sa inahangakuan. So how can you improve? Because if they are old enough, they will not follow. If old enough na mo learn or lip reading, mauna siya, balik, the same na sa sign language. So now, challenge yourself how to communicate with deaf. Fine na. Not it. No problem. So, I like to sign. But if you sign, not speak. Together. The same teacher. Both. So, para easy thing to do. So, if mo go og SM, if mo buy Jollibee, Watel. Okay. If not understand me, so I write. So, that's how panera sa tuwa. So, mo na yung world nga na complete now. So, but first, nga, doon pa mo sign pag college, afraid ba? First time, same, pag inter. So, pag exam, only one mo speak, how man communicate, nga ako mo interpret, think ko nga deaf all, so you speak. Myself ba, speak. Diba, first time, ako dokto, ba mo speak, kay more deaf, only signs. So, muna, other now nga, communicate sa brother, sa sister, speak English. My sister is a deaf person, in mission also, so, second year high school, so, pero what happened sa sister? Why man daw become deaf? Tell mama. So, duha sila ka kuan sa ilang family, but sister, wonder. two hearing. So only one. Only one man. Oh, only the first. You're the first. Then the next is the deaf. So first is the deaf. Second is deaf. Hearing. So 4 in the family. So your mother, what work? Housewife. Your father, call center. Call center. So different time. Papa work. Overtime. Night. Tomorrow. Until tomorrow. So communicate with sister. Always speak now. But later, teach sign language with sister. How many? So if her sister will come to CTO, then he will teach him her to sign, so that they will communicate with each other. So sister now only speak the same as you. English only. But how old the sister now? 15. So start Yapon school, mission, sister. So who man support pag school sa mission? Who support pag school sa mission? Elizabeth Gango. So UC owner. Owner. And Imol. Imol. So Elizabeth Gango support your education as your sister. Common support the same Gango is Elizabeth. So muna dito. So si Elizabeth Gango, board of directors dito. Principal din, principal. Principal dito sa mission. So muna na dito kay every month take pila pay dito sa mission 1 month 10,000 22,000. So how, because anak kamahal. So 22,000 1 month. Maybe now 2,000 each. 1 year then 22,000. But don't know I see support man. It depends if you're rich or you're poor or other scholar free. So now what man challenge sa school sa CTO, learn ka sign. Then communicate with them. Not na mo speak. Okay, communicate. Only sign. So wala lang other person nga ini-communicate niya sa the same niya nga deaf. So dili na siya mo speak. Gawas ako or teacher ka. If hearing person speak, you speak. But if deaf person, you sign. So muna nga word. So, but some deaf person can speak. Okay, but different mouth. If can speak, sometimes not ma-form sa lips, diba? I understand. Only lip reading, but not hearing. So muna yung a word. So mag-adjust siya every deaf person ngayon ma-meet. Okay, mo sign man. Some sign, different sign. Other, from Bohol, different sign. Cebu, different sign. Mandawi, different sign. So, now, improve na sign language from June, now, July. So, improve now. I have the book. But makaliko ang book. Different nag-use. So, have siya book, Philippine Dictionary of Science. But not use because it's different. When you communicate with them, mobile kang book na American sign, think mo the same, communicate mo sa different, so mag-go down kasi yung level. Kaya they have only few limited vocabulary. Not all, not the same with us, all our senses is used. So, now, pag come sa city, you ask permission, Mama, Papa, now ba? Diba, yesterday, ako text you, you read it, ask Mama. So, allow. So, mana, so, how akong i-invite siya nga, mukam karon, so, ni-text ko sa parents, para mukam. So, not the same with us nga, pwede ra anytime. So, as mga permission, if mo allow or not, para makakam siya karon. So, manang kuhan sa mga them. What other problem if not learn sign language? No problem. Wala na. Okay, sa family, makaspeak. So, good na to if family practice sign language later on. Kaya sister. Mama kapoy, ha? Not like always busy. So, later on, sometimes you teach. I don't have time to teach. So, that's how Filipino or typical Filipino family. So, mostly, ang deaf people or deaf person is born with a hearing people nga you don't like to sign. But we need to, so that when later on, use agapon both sign of speaking. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Okay, so mo lang